Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here. This is the GT Player Height Adjustable Desk. This is a compute table laptop with drawers. A table height adjustable from 80 up to 50. It's 33 up to 150 centimeter. Standing desk with wheels. It's available on the market in brown, in black, and in white. The height adjustable desk is 80 up to 50 centimeter in size and can be adjusted between 65 and 88 centimeter in height by turning the knob on the height adjustment lever to fit different size requirements. This multifunctional desk allows an easy switching between sitting and standing and the comfortable height relief neck pain. And the GT Player desk is equipped with drawers for easy storage and flat slots in the tabletop, thus making it a reliable choice for a convenient desk. The curved corner of the laptop table prevents collision and allows safe use. And we have a freedom of movement because for example, you can use it on a bed too. This is a table. It's equipped with 4 bracket universal wheels that can be easily moved to adapt the different scenarios. It can be used as a computer table as well as a coffee table, a dining table, a bedside table, and a study table. And this laptop table is made of environmentally friendly E1 quality clipboard and steel frame. The tabletop is smooth and waterproof and easy to clean. The legs are H-shaped and reinforced with steel rods. It's complete with tools and parts. It comes with a complete guide so we can set up the device easily and quickly. And of course, you can watch my video for assembling of that desk. A desk or a bureau is a piece of furniture with a flat table-style work surface used in school, office, home, or alike for academic, professional, or domestic activities such as reading, writing, or using equipment such as a computer. Desks often have one or more drawers, compartments, or pigeonholes to store items such as office supplies and papers. Desks are usually made of wood or metal. Other materials are such as glass and sometimes seen. Some desks have the form of a table, although usually only one side of the desk is suitable to sit. There are some exceptions such as a pardon desk. Some desks do not have the form of a table, for instance an armory desk. This is a desk built within a large wardrobe-like cabinet. And a portable desk are light enough to be placed on a person's lap. Since many people lean on a desk while using it, the desk must be sturdy. In most cases, the people sit at the desk, either on a separate chair or a built-in chair. For example, in some school desks. Some people use standing desks to be able to stand while using them. And this here is both of it, a standing desk and a standard desk. A stand-up desk is a desk conceived for writing, reading, or drawing while standing up or while sitting on a high stool. In the history, several writers and statesmen wrote standing up. Thomas Jefferson, for example, Charles Dickens, Winston Churchill, Ernest Hemingway, Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, and Vladimir Nabokov. Some of them had specially made desks for lecturers. And of course, standing desks have been made in many styles and variations. Standing desks may be specialized to suit particular tasks, such as certain variations of the telephone desk and desk for architecture drawing. Some standing desks may only be used while standing, while others allow users to sit or stand, adjust the desk height with an electric motor, a hand crank, or a counterpunch system. Some desks are also constructed like teachers' lectures allowing them to sit on the top of the existing desk for standing or removed for sitting. And here you have both of it. You can stand between that GT Player adjustable desk. You can sit, you can stand, you can lean, what you need. And the best thing is, it's transportable because there are 4 wheels which we can use to go from one area to the other and let it there because there are brake systems on 2 of the wheels. The GT Player height adjustable desk comes to you and you have to assemble it. But it's not hard to assemble. I think it was only 15 screws, and after I think 30 minutes the job will be done. And after this you have a nice and good looking adjustable desk in your hand, and you can use it as you like it, as you need it, for a good price. This is the GT Player height adjustable desk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.